How to delete your notes on Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete the notes on your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is, of course, open up your Facebook. After you've opened up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you've logged into your account, now you can head over to your profile. To head over to your profile, head over to the menu section on the bottom right and then tap on your name. Now you're on your profile and there you see your notes. Now if you have already posted your note, what you can do is you can simply tap on the note and now you can replace the note or delete the note. So for this video, I'm just going to delete the note. And as you can see, if you did not actually delete the note, it would have been deleted after 24 hours automatically. So if you still want to delete it, tap on delete note and just tap on the delete confirmation. And there you go. Now you have just deleted your notes on your Facebook profile. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.